Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals and some wild animals. Let's learn their names. Are you ready, kids? Let's start. This is a panda, a cheetah, a lioness,
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O.
a lion king,
Here and up, there, here up, there up, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm,
a tiger,
E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald
a
had
giraffe,
E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog,
a rabbit,
with a here and a there, here, there, everywhere.
elephant,
Donald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
a horse,
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some
a
dogs,
camel,
E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here,
a dog,
everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
a hippopotamus,
Old MacDonald had a
a
farm,
cow,
E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep,
a gorilla,
E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there,
a deer,
everywhere.